If y varies directly as the square root of m and y is equal to 9 when m is equal to 9, find y when m is equal to one whole number 7 over 9. We will start with the first statement, say y varies directly as the square root of m. To write that in mathematically, that is y varies directly as root m. To remove the sign of variation, we introduce a constant k times root m equal to 9. So 9 is equal to k and m is also 9. So k times root 9. Meaning 9 is equal to the square root of 9 is 3. Then 3 times k is 3k. To find k, we divide both sides by 3, which means k is equal to 9 divided by 3 is 3. So k is 3. I'll go back to this relationship, which say y is equal to k root m. Y now becomes, since k is 3, that will be 3 root m. Then the question says, find y when m is equal to one whole number 7 over 9. Y therefore will be 3 times the square root of one whole number 7 over 9. Now turning this mixed number into improper fraction, y will be 3 times the square root of 1 times 9 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 over 9. Hence, y equal to 3 times square root of 16 is 4, and square root of 9 is 3. The 3 will cancel 3, y therefore is equal to 4.